From QR codes to utter chaos, Bengaluru street vendors, some of them are actually earning less than 800 rupees per day. They are now facing GST shockers. Why? Because they went digital. The protests are now growing louder. There is a political blame game which has erupted. We are telling you how UPI dreams are now turning into big tax nightmares. Watch this report.
It's a GST bombshell that has blitzed the footpaths and markets of Bengaluru. Thousands of street vendors who earn less than 800 rupees a day are now staring at tax notices. Their fault? Accepting money via UPI. These aren't just papers, they are panic triggers. Vendors say they have been slapped with GST notices for digital payments, even though their annual income is no way close to the 40 lakh threshold that's been set by law. From coconut carts to flower stalls, the anger is all around. Around 14,000 vendors have received notices. Many say they feel cheated and punished for supporting the government's Digital India campaign.
50 लाख आ गया 50 लाख और 21 तक 25 को 50 लाख टैक्स आ गया कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स और बिस्किट पूरा टैक्स पे करके आता मेरा इधर ये बिल का आता अभी और टैक्स के दिया तो किधर से देना.
The Federation of Street Vendors has now called for a massive statewide protest on the 25th of July, demanding the immediate withdrawal of notices. They have even launched a rose protest as part of their campaign calling for a boycott of UPI. The Karnataka government claims this is a consequence of the centre's flawed GST policy implementation.
Whatever is the permissible law, if BJP, if the Central GST Council had not issued us a letter, I think we wouldn't have got. So they are forcing us to do these activities. So we have issued a letter and today CM will discuss on this issue.
But the BJP is hitting back, accusing the state government of playing politics over a mistake of its own departments.
मेरे पास इंफॉर्मेशन है स्टेट गवर्नमेंट कमर्शियल टैक्स ऑफिसर्स ने छोटा व्यापारियों को नोटिस दिया है. केवल सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर आरोप कर रहा है. स्टेट का मंत्री लोग आरोप कर रहा है. सच नहीं है. सच है स्टेट गवर्नमेंट नोटिस दिया है वो सच है.
But even as politics rages on, another troubling accusation is emerging. Worker unions allege that UPI platforms may have shared vendor data without consent.
सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एंड स्टेट गवर्नमेंट खेल रहा है. ये पेटीएम लोग और फोन पे लोग और गूगल पे लोग क्या लिस्ट दे दिया उसके ऊपर क्या ट्रांजैक्शन कर लिया उसके ऊपर भेज दिया. उसका ऊपर भी 4 ईयर से बाकी है ऐसा करके उसको भी इंटरेस्ट डाल दिया.
So what my demand is, waive off all the whatever the penalty and whatever the demand you are doing prior to the 2025, and now onwards whenever they are registering, you make them to register their establishment and then claim their the demand whatever the tax.
Digital dreams are turning into tax nightmares for Bengaluru street vendors. With protests brewing and legal battles looming, this isn't just a tax issue anymore. It's a fight for survival.
Since they are using this UPI code and the transaction which is happening digitally is now accountable, and that is the reason the tax department got to know how much these small time vendors are earning, and many of them have requested people to pay via cash rather than using all these UPI transactions. With journalist Madhu Sagaraj reporting for India Today, Bengaluru.